everybody, it's Unicorn Slime. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below #Unicorn Squad for a shout out in my next video. A huge thank you to my shout outs of the week. You guys are super sweet. And today I'm going to be reviewing this Puni gel kit. I'm so excited. This is one of the best kits I've ever reviewed. Hands down, I'm obsessed. So let's get started. So the kit comes with a really pretty mold. It comes with 4 colors of glitter Puni gel. You have to get your own scissors. And it comes with 2 little golden bases, some jewels, and some ball chains. It also comes with a little plastic sheet with really cute little illustrations, a Puni gel instructional mat, and an instructional sheet, which I clearly did not use because I don't know how to read Japanese. So I just used English instructions on the back of the little Puni gel. Now I'm going to open everything using my scissors. You only need 2 things from your own home, which is the best thing ever. So you need a toothpick and a pair of scissors. Now I'm going to mix this really cute gel. It comes with such pretty glitter. And basically there's a seal between it, and there's a glitter gel on one side. And on the other side there's this clear thick gel, and you're supposed to mix them together. And you need to break the seal in the middle for that. So yeah. And also I've made a new rating counter. Make sure to subscribe. So I did this with all the 4 colors. I cut the little corner off. And also, by the way, a very happy new year to all of you guys. Happy 2019. I hope you guys have an amazing year. And now I'm going to do it. I'm going to make so many more cute videos. So please subscribe for them. And I'm going to fill the mold with the little gel. And I'm going to spread this with this tool thingy. I literally don't know what this is for. But now I'm going to put the jewels in it. It comes with such pretty jewels. And a little tip, make sure to squish them at the bottom so you can see them clearly. And they have these cute little Swarovski crystal thingies, which you're supposed to put them upside down so that you can take them out and you can flip them because all the details are going to be down. Whereas in the little golden base, you're supposed to put them upwards. Oh my gosh, this is such an enjoyable kit. I really recommend this. And now you're going to do the same thing with the other gels. By the way, it comes with golden glitter gel, blue glitter gel, and 2 pink glitter gels. This is how it looks. So now I'm going to unmold these. You have to let them dry for 24 hours. Believe me, it doesn't take less time than that. I checked this at 23 hours. And it was not dried. It was a little tacky, but I recommend you to wait for 24 hours. They are really pretty. The camera is not even giving them the beauty that they look like. They look so pretty. And also, the little illustrated sheet, you have to cut little designs that you want to put, and you have to stick them inside the little gel if you did not know. And I give this a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 unicorn horns out of 5 unicorn horns. I give this a full rating. This is so good. I recommend this kit a lot. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Have fun and a happy new year!